Welcome to ClearTask. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to remove a text box border in Microsoft Word without deleting the text inside it. This is perfect for making your documents look clean and professional. To begin, open your Word document and click directly on the outer edge of the text box you want to modify. You need to make sure the box itself is selected, not just the text inside. Once selected, look at the ribbon at the top of your screen and click on the Shape Format tab. From there, find the Shape Outline drop-down menu. Click on it and select No Outline. Immediately, the border will vanish, but your text will remain perfectly intact. There is also another quick way to achieve this. Simply right-click on the outer edge of your text box. From the context menu that appears, choose Format Shape. A new panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. Under the Line options, select No Line. Both methods give you the exact same result. You can now drag and position your text freely around the page without a visible frame getting in the way. If you found this quick guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more direct, no-nonsense tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.